I've been seeing a lot of memes about Aljur Abrenica. Like this. Your boys. And even si Kuya Kim, no? Si Kuya Kim gawa ng parang like a meme dito kay Aljur.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. I'm just a buffalo soldier.
What's happening here?
Of America, stolen from Africa.
Naging bastos na si Kuya Tim. Kuya Tim? What the hell? And mas marami pa. And I don't even know why we have this meme in the first place. So, I tried to search yung mismong video ni Aljur na he's actually singing. No? And nakita ko siya. I mean, sa page ni Aljur Abrenica. So ngayon, tinignan natin kung bakit ba meron tayong meme na ganito, no? Kung karapat-dapat ba siyang gawing meme. Kasi sawag-sawa na ako na makita yung mga meme ni Aljur Abrenica sa Facebook. Minsan na nga lang ako mag-social media, tapos si Aljur pa agad yung makikita ko, no? So just wanna see kung ano bang meron. Kasi I'm too lost in the sauce.
Beauty queen of only 18, she had some troubles with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove
So what is that?
to help her. She always belonged to someone.
Yun, always belong. Always belong. Hindi ganon. What the hell?
Always belong to someone.
Always belong. I'm sorry.
Always
No? Like a good audio in the mic. Also in the background singer. What the hell?
look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved.
I don't know why, but I feel like is like overacting, no? Sa kanta. Parang yung emotion, yung pag-emote niya sa pagkanta parang OA. No, I mean the vocals is actually just fine, no? Average, hindi siya sintonado, hindi rin sobrang like mind-blowing, but it's okay, no? It's actually okay. I'm being honest in here. It's actually okay. But I feel like yung the way niya kinakanta, yung parang sobrang OA nung yung parang I cannot explain it. You see? And she be love. Like parang gigil na gigil, no? Para siyang di mo alam kung nasaktan siya eh. May masama ba nangyari sa'yo? Napipilitan ka ba na gawin to, Aljur? Baka may baril na nakatutok. Baka may baril na nakatutok sa'yo na napipilitan kang gawin to. Diba? Naghanda pa siya doon. Nag-prepare pa siya doon. Kita nyo, nag-prepare siya. Pinipare niya yung sarili niya kasi parang diba? Love.
And she will be loved.
Hey, yeah. I mean, to tell you honestly, if we're just talking about the vocals, you know, ayos lang naman no? Ayos lang. Hindi siya pangit pakinggan, no? Hindi siya sobrang mind-blowing, pero ayos lang. Diba? But I guess medyo may pagka-cringy lang the way niya sobrang like over-dramatic yung pagkakakanta niya. Like, ano siya? Parang may magano siya. So, alam mo yun, yung facial expression niya, and the way siya mag-emote habang kumakanta. And sometimes para siyang, alam mo yun, para siyang nagigigil, para siyang, 20% singing, 20% tibe. kasi parang umiire. Di ba? Parang siyang naiire sa pagganda. 5% singing, 95% na jejebs. Yes! Now, I mean, let's go ahead and check some memes about Aljur. No? Kasi yun na lang lagi lumalabas sa Facebook ko eh. And tingnan natin kung dapat ba yung meme. Okay. So, I mean, this is relatable, no? I mean, naiintindihan ko kung ba't kaya ng reaction mo, Aljur. And naiintindihan ko kung bakit. So, what is happening? What is happening here? Parang naka-AI yung mukha ni ano dito eh, no? Kasi parang basang sisiw eh. Tama yung buhok niyo. Parang basag sisiw eh.
Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko, mahirap na.
Parang ano na eh, no? Parang aalis na eh, pagkante. Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko. Parang punta na doon eh. Papaalis na eh. See what I'm saying? Like, parang sobrang overacting, no? Overacting yung nangyayari. I mean, again, the vocals, it's okay. No, it's average, nothing special. No, pero hindi rin pangit naman, no? To be fair to Aljur. Maybe ako lang. But come on, man. You're doing too much. I'm sorry, is he trying to do like a vocal run? Doon, di ba kasi pag nag-vocal run yung mga singer, di ba? Nakapahiya ako. Yeah, so he's doing a vocal run. Pati yung tugtog sintonado. Ang dami pala niya yung performance, eh, no? Hindi lang yung She Will Be Loved, no? May iba pa pala. What the hell? Ganun ba? Wala ka may Tourette's, eh, no? Parang naka-arit ata ng Rocky si Aljur dito eh. ng Rocky. I'm sorry. A laugh track in 2025? Really? I mean, sa tingin pa rin natin, nakakatawa pag nilagyan natin ng laugh track yung video. Ganun ba? Tama na daw. Nak pala yung bibig ito. I'm sorry. Why, man? 2 times in a row? Merong laugh track? And I'm sorry, is this fucking like this is his like wife, right? Yung anak ni Robin Padilla, Kylie Padilla. Oh, sorry, Kylie ba? I'm sorry. And then this is I forgot her name, but yeah. Tas AI, no? AI. AI din. Yung pusa namin tuwing madaling araw. I'm sorry. Ang dami pala niyang ano, no? Akala ko yung She Will Be Loved lang eh. Ang dami pala, no? Compilation. Pwede nang gumawa ng EP, no? Cover EP. I mean, again, to be fair to Aljur, hindi naman okay lang naman, no? Okay lang painggan. Pero kasi parang yung pag-emote niya, and dito medyo na ano nga, medyo nakakatawa kasi parang siyang umangawa dito eh. Sorry. Inutusan ka bumili ng itlog na at tapos nabasag. What the hell? Nangangawa ka talaga, no? Palo ka sa nanay mo. Tumama sa pinto yung daliri mo sa paa. Yan talaga ngangawa ka talaga. Kapucha. Okay, well that is Aljur Bredica, no? And with his memes. I mean, valid ba yung meme? Valid, no? Valid. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. I mean, now, mas ma-appreciate ko na yung mga meme na ma-receive ko, no? Na tukol kay Aljur. Kasi sobrang dami talaga nila. Sobrang dami. Parang yun na lang nakikita ko araw-araw every time type. Like right now. I am actually just scrolling right now, no? While I'm doing this outro. But here, you see? I have this meme. Gagawin ko tong alarm ng 5 a.m. tapos gigising ako ng 4 para hindi ko marinig. Right? Ngayon lang yan. Ngayon lang yan. No? Habang nag-outro ako, I am trying to end this video now with, an outro. Habang nag-scroll, and then this is the first thing that I see. Always, no? On my social media. It's just Aljur. But yeah, well, I just wanna make a video about that and, my reaction about Aljur. Yeah, I mean, keep him coming. Ngayon, mas ma-appreciate ko na yung meme, no?